Rescreening a large patio door doesn't have to be a headache when you take your time and follow a solid plan. Start by laying out your mesh. Use spring clamps to hold the mesh in place and keep steady tension while you work. This keeps the screen from shifting as you roll in the spline. You'll also need a standard spline roller tool. Concave is for laying spline, and convex is for pre-fitting spline tracks, especially with metal screens. Splines come in all shapes and sizes, so it's a good idea to cut a small piece of the old spline and match it at the store before buying new material. Instead of starting at a corner, use the middle out method. Start your roll on a long side in the middle. Use the concave wheel of your tool to seat the spline. Work with steady downward pressure, moving from the center out toward the corners. When you hit those corners, tuck the spline in firmly before turning the tool to the next side. You're looking for a smooth, drum-tight finish with absolutely no ripples. Once you've made it all the way around the frame, trim the spline so the two ends meet perfectly flush at your starting point. After the spline is seated, give it one more pass with the roller to make sure it's fully locked into the channel. Finish the job by trimming away the excess mesh with a sharp utility knife, cutting towards the frame. And that's it. Fresh screen, nice and tight, clean edges, and a patio door ready to let the fresh air in while keeping the bugs out. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.